Hey guys, so today I will gonna discuss about the TCS TR plus HR interview experiences for Ninja Digital and Prime. So please prepare as much as you can, means even if you are preparing for digital or prime, you should prepare all the role questions because this will sharpen your skills and all. Okay, so let's move on for the first interview experience. The first one is introduction. So introduction is the most important thing which you have to prepare beforehand, and please guys don't include that I am from here, I am, my hobbies is this. No, please include a good introduction part, like you are a good web developer or you are a good coder, and what are your tech stack, what you have done in your college time, what other extra curriculum you are involved in, what are the your club involvements, and these type of things which makes the interview like yeah, you are the one for them, and if you didn't take you, then what the hell they taken. Okay, so please prepare your introduction so that it get impact on the interviewer, and your personality will be depend on your introduction, guys. So please don't use rubbish introduction like newbie. You go and said I am from Delhi, I do this and this. No, please, if you don't know how to introduce yourself, then you can go to my shorts video, I have uploaded, I will attach the link also. And utilize the AI, guys, please utilize the AI. Okay, even if you prepared your introduction, you can give it to the AI and say that please make more impactful, or what I can include in this introduction. Okay, like that. And for project, don't directly just explain what is your project. First, why you chosen this project, like there will be any thing in your mind before creating this project, like that, so that they think that the project is created by you, not you have copied from somewhere else. Even if you have copied, guys, just show them that no, you have make this project by yourself. Okay, don't show them that you have copied from somewhere. Okay, so like that, if you are explaining your project, include the tech stack and why you choose this project, what is the impact of this project, and explain the working of project. And after that, they will ask some cross question to you, like on the basis of your tech stack or on the basis of your working, whatever they will not gonna understand, they will ask you. And please be prepared for that, guys. Beforehand you can only prepare your introduction and project, and please don't neglect these things that you are just thinking yeah, I will say project, I know the project. No, please prepare the project and introduction part beforehand, and ready for the cross questions they will gonna ask you. Like for this person, they have asked the tensor flow and project related cross questions. After that, normalization and its type. So if you are preparing DBMS, then normalization is the most important part which you can't um, left. And please guys, if you are preparing for normalization or joins or anything, then please prepare with an example, because this is an offline interview. They will give you pen and paper and will say that please explain using tables or with drawings. So please prepare with example. Okay, you should be clear in your concept that what you gonna explain there, and what how it actually works. Okay, after that, what is data structure, abstraction versus interface, HTTP versus SMTP, or you can also prepare HTTPS. After that, operator overloading, what is a schema, oops concept, define class and object inheritance, method overloading, RDBMS, what is, guys, it is id is wrong, what is MongoDB and all. So guys, basically for ninja role, they will ask you the concepts only, means they will not go in deeper, but still for the famous question you should prepare. Like for the coding also, you should prepare like prime number, reverse string, Fibonacci series, and Armstrong number, these type of question. Don't take risk, and also see some is patterns like star patterns, any letter patterns. After that, and they will means there will be your best thing you can do is prepare any question, means when the interviewer asks any question, that will be your guys turning point, because even if your interview didn't got well, okay, but at last if you involve any question that will involve the interviewer, and you will start discussing, give some cross question like, yeah sir, I don't understand this, no, like that I don't understand, can you explain this part like this, okay. So which makes involve of the interviewer, which can totally change your personality even if you didn't done well in the whole interview, okay. So please prepare beforehand any questions, and please try to take those questions in which interviewer will also get involved, like what type of domain you are going to get, and on the basis of what they are going to give the domain, what are the work culture, like that type you can prepare it well, okay. After that, interview 2 is tell me about yourself. As I said, tell me about yourself, and the project is the main and important ingredient of every interview, so prepare it well. After that, they ask about the preferred language. If you whatever you will say preferred language, on the basis of that they will gonna ask you 2 to 3 question on that concept. So even if you have selected Python and all, so they will gonna ask you on the basis of that. C plus plus they will ask gonna on that, okay. So he said about the Java, so they asked about what are packages in Java, JVM, JRE, JDK, write code for swapping numbers and concatenation of a string. So these are the basics question, guys, so you should know before you are going for any interview. These are the basic question any interviewer can expect from you. And the most important thing is every interview depends on the panel. Like in some panel the interviewer are so much means they are not even interested in the interview, they will ask you like prime number, foreign key, and just that, and you are selected. And some interviewer are like gonna gonna take you so much long interview, and they will ask you deeper and deeper concept that will get stuck in the interview, okay. So please pray for the panel also, because panel is more important thing when you go for an interview, because everything depends on a luck, guys. If you are lucky enough, you will get a panel where you are going to ask only few questions which are basics, without studying also you can clear that. And in few panels, even if you studied hard, and still you gonna stuck in the interview, because they will gonna ask you deeper and deeper question. So pray for that also. So what is DDL, DML, and these are the guys main and the important and famous concepts you should know. In this interview section you can see these are the important questions that every interviewer or every student should prepare, okay. Explain OOPS concepts, SDLC process, explain its step, difference between delete, truncate and drop in SQL. Why should I hire you? If I have lots of options, means there are lots of people will be there, and on the basis of that you will be selected. So why, what are the extraordinary qualities you have that interviewer will select you? These type of HR question you should prepare, guys, okay. After that, puzzle based pattern. And guys, puzzle based pattern are basically to judge your presence of mind, your logical thinking, how you take approach of the question. They will not gonna see that you are able to clear that question or not, but they will see how you are approaching that puzzle, okay. So please see beforehand what puzzle pattern, and you have lots of time, guys, still you are not getting the interview. So please prepare as much as you can, and don't leave any topic, and don't be scared, guys. They are just gonna ask you like a friend, and सामने वाला बंदा is not a alien, guys. He is also human, he is also someone's father, and he is also someone's uh, son also. So please don't scare of him, do in confidence whatever you are saying, just say whatever in your mind, and don't mug up, guys. Please don't mug up will make you stuck between your interview. You will keep remembering what I have studied, and you are not gonna remember what you have studied, and there you will impact means that shows you have mug up that concept. Instead of that, just remember the things, means what the concept is saying, like what is SDLC cycle. So you should know what is, not you should answer whatever you have read in the book or you have read on the online. Okay, just remember what is the concept and you can explain in your own language. That will be the best thing you can do. If you explain in your own words, that makes the impact, like yeah, he know the concepts, so you don't need to get stuck. And when you are preparing for any joins normalization and all, please prepare with a clear perspective or a clear view that how it is working. How will you explain if the interviewer is gonna ask, how will you make the table and how will you join them or how will you normalize them. You should know, guys. Don't just read what is normalization and what is BCNF CNF. See how it is working. Okay, after that, why should I hire you if I have lot of option puzzle, and are you comfortable for relocation? Obviously these are the HR question, basic question. After that, you can see this question, project overview, why you use React to build this project, MongoDB versus SQL, why you use MongoDB, why to do database connectivity. Guys, if you want this interview experience PDF, I will share in the my Telegram group. You can join there. After that, guys, preferred language you should prepare beforehand, because they are gonna ask you. And guys, oops pillar are the most important things, like not even oops pillars, because they are more interested in oops concepts and all. So you can have to prepare the abstract class interface, virtual class, and all the types of inheritance and types of polymorphism, like compile time, runtime, and these type of things. And you can go through this PDF. You can take a screenshot also and go to the Google scanner and ask this answer from the chatgpt or other AI, or you can also prepare wherever you want. But AI you can utilize, guys. AI is the best part you can utilize. After that, they can ask in SDLC cycle from the software engineering. In inheritance, they can ask multiple or multi-level inheritance, DSA related, like it can be question or it can be the code also. Okay, joins with example provided to table and told to combine with the right join. Okay, these type of question they can ask. You can go through it. And the other any question I have already said, please utilize this question. After that is strength and weakness in the HR question, and why TCS. After that, the other thing, yeah, they have also asked if you have a Java your preferred language, they can ask you the exceptional handling, what is try and catch, can we use try alone without using catch. Star pattern they can ask, like any type of pattern, guys. It can be triangle from the right side, left side, or in the middle of the triangle, means equilateral triangle. It can be right angle triangle. So please triangle wala part to कर ही लेना हर side का. And they can ask also P shaped, O shaped pattern, this type of question. This time they are gonna ask you code also. So please prepare the famous question and especially star patterns and some of the basics question, and you can prefer the TCSNQT seat for that. And in software engineering, they can ask the waterfall and agile model, integrated model, Cartesian join and self join, explain with tables. That's why I have said they generally ask the concepts, how are you understanding this, and they have already have the pen and paper with them. They will ask you to write the code as well as create table diagrams on the that page. Okay, some will be scenario based question in HR. In HR question, then IBM or TCS, which one you would choose and why. So you should if you are preparing going for TCS interview, you should answer only that about the TCS. Yeah, I will choose TCS. Don't say that in TCS interview you are saying I will choose IBM, sir, if IBM will give me opportunity. So please prepare for that also. What makes you different from other, prepare that. After that, I think his preferred language is C. That's why they have asked what is scanf and printf function, what is getch, different between stack and queue, sign in and sign out, What is linked list about project and cross question, what are library you have used, favorite subject, prime number code, reverse string code, some situation based HR question, like that. Introduction. Anything new? Yeah, they have asked about the DBMS versus DBMS difference. You should also prepare MongoDB versus SQL difference. Okay, what is normalization? 2NF, BCNF, do you know? 4NF, 5NF also. Error in SQL, error 248 means code Fibonacci series. And this guys, error 248, they have asked some deep question also, so you can see, but they will not judge, they will not gonna judge you on the basis of this. Okay, code Fibonacci series and prime number. What is network? Difference between IP4 and IP6. How do mobile network able to connect? What is SQL and SQL language? Do you have any offer? If they ask do you have any offer, guys, please say no, 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 no. Even if you have 2 to 3 offers, even if you are placed in somewhere else, but still you have to say in the interview no, you don't have any offer. If you are preparing for any MNC, then you have to say no, because MNC will not prefer if you have already have an offer. But if you are preparing for any big tech mang company, then there you can say yeah, I have offer, but I'm searching for the good opportunity, like that, because they will understand you. But MNC will not understand, they will think that one seat will be vacant, because if you have already any other offer, they know that they will gonna call you in 6 or 7 months, they will take to onboard you. In that you will go to that company, that's why. And preferred location, will you able to in this type of question you have to just say yes, even if you are not interested, say yes. How many companies till now you have appeared for the placements till now? In this you can take advantage by saying this is my first company, because due to this reason no company arrive in my college. That will be impactful, like yeah, your first interview is this. Okay, and even if your this will be your first interview, still you have to say the first interview. But even you have appeared for lots of interview, then still you should say the first company is this and the decision is going on, that's why no company arrive in my college. After that, interviews have an introduction project. What real world problem did you solve in your project? What is React and its characteristic? If you have used your project on the basis of React and all, so please prepare like you have also prepared for Java and all. So basics and famous question you can prepare beforehand. React JS versus native React Native concept of virtual DOM, client based architecture in simple term. Why server is called server? Why you choose IT as a career? Explain term IT. Memory management in C++. Write its syntax. What is namespace in C++? What is kernel? Different types of real world operating system currently used. What is SQL? Types of databases. What do you know about TCS? Your perspective about George Switch. Do you have any leadership qualities? What are the hobbies? So guys, one thing you keep in mind that your panel will decide your interview level. Okay, if your panel is good, then they will ask you some questions and you are good to go. But if your interview or panel is hard, but still you can change by your confidence and your way of speaking, how you are explaining the concept. That will be the most important and crucial part. So please be confident, he is also a human, treat him like a human. Okay, introduction project, preferred language, and rate yourself on Java. If they ask this type of question, then don't rate more, even more, and even less. Okay, rate yourself as 8 or 9. And if they ask why less, so you can say I am a student and I know I have not been so much good in and Java, like I will compare with the professional and all. Okay, I am in a learning phase as a student, I am in learning phase, that's why I can't give myself 10 on 10. Okay, Fibonacci series, because if you tell them 10, they will gonna ask you deeper and deeper question. What after that they will write, they said the write to code of Fibonacci series, resume based about Linux and cloud computing, RDBMS versus GBMS about schema normalization, joins, acid property, transaction, primary key and foreign key, Explain with the example what is strength. Now HR question is flexibility of relocation. What is the reason of your backlog? Rotational shift is okay for you. Verified mark sheet. Guys, this is the key point you need to let go with you. Like the technical questions you can prepare of, like fundamentals of programming language, whatever your preferred programming languages, C, Java, Python or C++, whatever. After that you should prepare on the OOPS concept along with the example. Not only pillars guys, there were lots of concept like abstract class, virtual class, object classes, and many things you have to prepare OOPS by heart. Okay, you can take help of interview bits, there you can get a concepts. Okay, after that concept in data structure algorithm, prepare famous code programs, prefer TCSNQT sheet for that. There you will find all the famous and medium level, easy level questions that will ask in the ninja. SQL famous topics and question, clear your concept with example. So SQL, in that you have to prepare about the joins and second highest query to write the second highest salary, and this type of famous questions guys, you should not leave that things. Okay, most asked question of operating system, DBMS, computer network, software engineer, SQL. You can utilize the AI, or as well as you can use the GFG or interview bits. I have prepared from the AI and interview bits at that time. Okay, after that discussion on academic project and internship, question on tech stack used, and whatever you have used have a clear understanding. And the first thing guys, confidence is the important key. If you are not confident during the interview, you will gonna lose it. Okay, so please be confident, because this is the last time you are going to get into a on campus placement. After that the companies will even not come, or come then it will be less package, or um, even the company come and don't take any people. So please prepare it well. After that the HR you can prepare is puzzle or scenario based questions, self introduction and family background, um, strength and weaknesses, willing to relocate, career aspiration and reason for choosing TCS, any offer or any question you want to ask. These are the basics question they were gonna ask you, and you should prepare beforehand, before appearing for interview. Okay, after that I have mostly covered ninja role question. I suggest please see every role interview question so that no question get missed. I will make another video for digital and prime interview question, because it will contain coding, more coding means in prime role they will increase the standard of coding, and there will be less conceptual question and more coding question. And in digital there will be almost level of means some coding question and some concept based question. So I will prepare other video also. So till then please prepare whatever question I have shared, and subscribe to get subscribe beyond the bracket girl for such more useful videos. And also I will share the ninja digital and prime role. For that you should subscribe. Bye bye and all the best, and please listen whatever I have said in the video, because it will really be helpful, because I have already appeared in this interview and as well as other MNC interviews, so I can share you as a friend also. So please do subscribe. Bye bye and all the best.